getting to pull things out of the ground and just eat them. It feels surreal.
We're at the Rowan Community Garden, and our team from Rowan Environmental Action League, we come here over the summer multiple times a week and throughout the semester to weed, garden. We grow a lot of produce that we donate to the on-campus food pantry called The Shop. We do a lot of different activities, club events that are centered around environmental sustainability in all aspects. So we have a lot of general meetings, professors come in and talk about different topics related to sustainability, while we also run this garden as our kind of larger community service project.
It's just for anyone to take, even if you don't want to go to the shop, if you want to just show up to the garden, as long as you harvest responsibly, all that. We have a lot of peas, zucchini, lettuce, kale, broccoli, you name it, we probably got it in here. We want to encourage people to get stuff here, locally sourced stuff, instead of going to supermarkets where you're buying stuff that has been transported across oceans. It's a win-win for everybody.
If you've never gardened before and you're coming to one of our weeding meetings or a planting meeting for the first time, you can expect to learn how to identify different weeds or identify different plants that we're growing, tips to improve your daily sustainability. So it's very calming, very relaxing.
You're on a college campus and it can get so busy, everyone can get so stressed. Being able to just come here and be with the plants, you'll meet people that are like you, you'll learn a lot of new things. I've learned so much just by being here for like less than a year.
I really love coming to the garden and talking with people and showing them how to pull a carrot for the first time and like seeing them get happy when they're like, oh my god, there's like an entire vegetable under the ground here. But I also really like just planting something from seed myself and seeing it grow into something I can eat. It's really important for people to be connected to their food and understand how it's being grown and how much effort it takes to grow food.